Welcome back to our channel. This is Sudeshna and Ranjit and you're watching Follow the Imprints. It's summer in Canada, or should we call it as a parent season. So my parents are here from India for the first time. They boarded the long haul flights from Kolkata to Toronto and they are here for summer 2023. And if you're planning for a visit to Canada or you're planning to call some family members here, do keep watching this video till the end. This is no doubt the best time to visit Canada as a tourist for numerous outdoor activities with longer daylight hours as the sun sets are after 9 o'clock and milder temperatures.
So today's video is all about step-by-step process of how to apply Canada tourist visa. So the first step is to visit the Canadian visa application website. There you need to create an account and fill out the application form.
And all the links of these websites we will share in the description so you can check there out.
So the first thing what you need to do, you need to log in this account. Click on GC key and clicking on sign up. Application form will ask for basic information about yourself, your name, your date of birth and passport information. And create a username with all these conditions. So this is the username which I am creating for the testing purpose. And you need to create the password using uppercase, lowercase, digit, and you need to have a recovery question answer. So let's fill up this one first. So once you give everything, you need to provide the email address where you will be getting all the details for this account. In that email you will get a GC key confirmation code. So go to your email. The email should be like this. Once verified, it will say welcome. Click on continue, accept the terms and condition, and now you need to create your account, selecting the preferred language as English. Provide all the security question answers quickly. I'll do that. Okay, now you are in the account. Now you need to apply for come to Canada. So there are multiple options in this. You will select visitor visa, study or work permit. You need to fill up all these things as well. What do you like to do in Canada? Visit. How long you are planning to stay in Canada? Temporary, less than 6 months. Select the code that matches your passport. What is the country you are currently in resident? Do you have a family member who is in Canadian citizen or permanent? In our case we had. What is the date of birth? Next. Find out if you are eligible to apply. Have you lived in Canada? No. Are you lawful resident? No. How are you related to your family member? Family member. What is your marital status? Married. So for our case they were landing in Ontario. So based on this we got 6 months visitor visa. Okay, continue. What is the main purpose of visit? Tourism. In last 10 years have you legally traveled? No. Do you have valid visa status? No. Okay. Do you have a job in country where you live? No. So in our case her parents got the visa for 10 years or till the passport expiry date, which is earlier, and they can stay for 6 months at a stretch and has multiple entry valid for the entire 10 years. So you can give all these answers according to your current status. So if you want to apply both of your parents, you will select yes in this question and you need to provide the details of your family member. It should be similar. So here they will be asking you a question. If you are paying all the family member fees including yours, click yes. No. If you only want one. Access to application, no. You will be doing everything yourself. So as you can see, we are giving biometric as no. So you have to give the biometric here. So you will be paying all the fees yourself. Are you able to make digital copy? Yes. You scan all this document. It would be very easy. And you'll be paying everything online using your credit card. So once all the details has been filled up, just review those details and click continue. So there are 4 steps here. Step which is creating your account, save your application, upload all the document and pay your fees. So the first step, the document checklist. So if you see here, you have these documents. All these documents are mandatory, required, and these are all optional documents. For the family member as well, this is mandatory, these all are mandatory, and these all are optional documents. So once you upload all the document, then you will see the next button here. So let's upload all the document. So the first document was application IMM 5257. So this is IMM 5257E. That should have your all details, your name, which type of visa you're requesting, what is date of birth, citizen, everything, all these details. Once you filled up all these details, you have to validate this document. So once you click the validate, it says validate successfully. So once this is validated, then only you can upload this document. You will also need to provide your information about your trip to Canada, like your itinerary and the accommodation details.
Before submitting your application, make sure you have all the required documents as per your checklist, which may include your passport, photograph, and proof of financial support.
So the first thing is passport, and the next one is use of your family member representative for online application. If you are filling up this file for your parents, you can select this one and write all these details. If you need the sample of any of the document, you can just email us. We'll provide you all these details, like proof of financial support, purpose of travel, the itinerary and accommodation details, everything. You need to write a letter for your parent, because your parents will be staying with you, and if you are providing the financial support for your parent, so you can provide that as well. And if your parents is providing by themselves, they don't need that document. Same thing for both the parent. So let's upload all the document and make sure you are providing all the document correctly. In this way, it will be much easier for that IRCC officer to check your documents properly and process your application faster. And you don't need to worry about anything, which document you need or not. All this document checklist will provide you all the mandatory and the optional documents. The mandatory document, obviously you will be uploading. Optional document, you have the option submit or not, then that's on your discretion. But make sure all the document which you are scanning should have a proper visibility, and try to upload all the documents in PDF. So once you see your document checklist field, everything has been uploaded, all these documents is showing green, then you will see the next button popping up here. Click on the next button, and this is your document electronic signature. Just click on I agree, given name, and click on sign. Then it will be signed, and the last thing is you need to, that is the 4th stage, transmit and pay.
So there is a fee associated with this application process. So you can pay it online via credit or debit card, and this will cost you 100 Canadian dollars per person for the application, with an additional of 85 Canadian dollars per person for the biometrics.
So this is what you need to pay: $200 for your visitor visa, $170 for biometric fee for both of them. Click transmit and pay. This will give you this option: Visa, MasterCard, Amex, and everything. Just click on this and pay the amount. Once you completed your application and paid the fee, then you can submit your application online.
The processing time for Canadian tourist visa may vary depending on your home country and the backlogs. So it is suggested to apply for the visa well in advance of your planned trip. In our case, for my parents, took us around a month. Yeah, it was pretty fast last year, but definitely take your time to apply.
So the online application doesn't take time, because it's on you how much time you are taking for filling the application form, paying the fees and everything. The most of the time takes for VFS biometrics appointment booking. So if you get a chance to book your appointment well in advance, book that appointment, because that appointment only takes the time. Everything else is smooth. Once you submitted your application and got your appointment to the VFS, you need to go to the VFS office to give your biometrics. The details would be your fingerprints, your scan of eye, and a photograph.
And you always have the option to collect the passports going to the VFS office or get it couriered at our home. In our case, because of our parents, we opted for the courier service, and they actually went to their place to collect the passports, and then again after it got stamped, they got it delivered at their home. So it was a pretty seamless process.
So all this process, there will be extra charge. So depending upon the VFS and the city which you are living in, the cost can vary. So you can check all these costs, how much it is, and you can add on to that cost in your submission of application form.
Once everything is done from your end, you just need to wait for that precious notification. So if your application is approved, you will get it notified via email or a text message. And if your application is denied by any chance, you always have the option to appeal the decision or reapply with additional information. And that's it. Once you have the Canadian tourist visa in hand, you can visit this country and enjoy all that Canada has to offer. My parents got their visa within a month. It was pretty fast last year in Kolkata. So no need to pay any agencies for that. Instead, you can, subscribe to our channel. It's free.
It's always free.
We hope this video has been helpful to you. Good luck with your application and enjoy your trip to Canada. Thank you so much everyone for watching this video till this end, and if you have liked this video, do subscribe to our channel and share this one with your friends and family who are planning to visit Canada soon. And if you have any questions, please put us in the comment box. And if you're also looking for places to visit in Toronto and in Canada, don't wait and hit that subscribe right now, because that will be our next video.
And please press the like button and the bell icon to get further notification. Till then,
Follow the imprints. Really? When the weather is good. When the weather is good.
so the first step is to visit Canada. So the first step is visit.
Yes.
Yeah, Kobe Babil.
So once everything is done from your end, you just have to wait for that